Welcome back, everyone. Now let's see how to nominate for the Inspire Award. First, type Inspire Award in Google and search. Now the website will open. Look here, there is Inspire Award at the top. Let's click on it. Now see, the website has opened as Inspire MANAK. In this, if we scroll down, you will see a login section. We have National Authority, State Authority, District Authority, and School Authority. Here, we have to click on School Authority. See, now the login page has opened. If you scroll down, there is To Login, click here. Below that, there is For New Registration, click here. If you know your login ID and password, click To Login, click here. In case you don't know it, see there is For New Registration, click there. When clicked, it first asks for your UDICE code. Enter your school's UDICE code here. Next, where it says, please enter below code to login. Enter the CAPTCHA code shown there and click Submit. Once you submit, details as per UDICE data will appear. Here, you will see your school UDICE code and application code. See, this application code is your login user ID. Below that, your school name and email ID will be shown. Copy this application code and then click on Home at the top. Now, we should return to the login page. Here, click on To Login, click here. It gives you the option to enter your username, password, and code. See below, there is Forgot Password. If you don't know the password, paste the username you just copied. Click on Forgot Password and generate a new password. Now, enter your username and password here. Next, enter the CAPTCHA code shown and click on Login below. Now, our school's dashboard page will open. You can see various options here. Out of these, click on the first option that says Nominate Students 2026 to 27. Next to it is View Nominated Students. First, we must click on Nominate Students 2026 to 27. Here, important instructions will open up. I will explain these simply. First one, we can submit up to 5 ideas from children in 6th to 12th standard. Second, from 11th and 12th standard, we can nominate a maximum of 2 students. Third, under one child's name, we can submit only one idea. Fourth, one idea should only be submitted under one child's name. If you submit the same idea for more than one child, all the registrations submitted by your school will be rejected. Fifth, we must enter the child's own bank passbook details. Entering the father's or mother's bank details is not allowed. Sixth, we must have organized an idea campaign at the school and selected the children from it. I will click Yes here. Next, it asks, is there an idea box at school? I will select Yes for this too. We have to enter how many students participated in this idea campaign. I have entered 18 here. Now, see below, there is Save and Next. Click on it. The next page will open with general instructions. In this, the first requirement is to have a scanned photo of the student. Next, you need the synopsis document of their idea or innovation. Second rule, we must scan and upload the child's passport size photo. There shouldn't be any blank space around the photo, meaning it must be cropped neatly before uploading. The photo must also be in JPG format. Third rule, the synopsis document you upload must be in PDF, JPG, JPEG, or Word format. Also, its size should not exceed 2 megabytes. After reading these, there's a checkbox below. We have to click the checkbox and then click Continue. When you click Continue, the Add Students section opens. Under Add Students, we have to add each child one by one. Let's add one now. When you click Add Student, a form opens. In this form, we must fill in all the details of the child. I will show you one that I have already filled out. See here. First, type the child's name exactly as it appears in their bank passbook under Student Name. Next, enter their father's name, mother's name, gender, date of birth, Aadhaar number, and the student's or parent's contact number. You also need to select whether the child is physically handicapped. Next, enter the child's email address. Then, select the child's class and category. After that, it asks for the idea or innovation title. Type the title of the innovation the child is submitting here. Next, provide a brief write-up about the innovation, not exceeding 300 words. See, I have already filled this in. Moving down, there is mentor or teacher name. The person applying or the science teacher guiding them should provide their name here. If you scroll down further, it asks for the child's bank details. Here, enter the child's bank's IFSC code, account number, bank name, and bank address. Once typed, there's a Submit button at the bottom. Click on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Press OK. Next, we have to upload the documents: the student photo, idea synopsis, and an idea or innovation photo or video. Lastly, we must upload the child's passbook photo here. I have uploaded them. After uploading all these, click on the Save button at the bottom. Then, the next page opens showing the list of nominated students. See, the details of the child we just added are displayed here. We can edit these details if needed, or delete them. Next, if you want to add a second child, click on Add Students at the top. Just like before, fill out the form, upload the documents, and click Save. See, I have registered the students in the same manner. Both students' details are now listed. Again, you can edit or delete their details if needed. Once you have completely added all students, click on the Save and Continue button at the bottom. Click OK on the pop-up prompt. Next, enter your school's principal or headmaster details here. Check the declaration box and click Save at the bottom. After saving, it takes you to Application Status. Here you have options to view and edit or forward application. If you need to make changes, choose View and Edit. If everything is correct, you must forward this application to the district authority for approval. I have forwarded it. Now the application status shows, "Thank you. Your application has been successfully forwarded to district authority for its approval." Next, we have to go back to the home page. It was View Nominated Students. Click on that. Here, click on the application number listed there. This will display the details of our two nominated students. Below that, there is a Generate Acknowledgement button. Clicking on it will download the acknowledgement form. I will show you the downloaded acknowledgement. See, this is how the acknowledgement form downloads for us. We have to take a printout of this and keep it safely. Thank you for watching the video until here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share.